Artificial intelligence is no longer a future experiment. It is already reshaping how America works, hires, and competes. Across the United States, AI systems are quietly replacing tasks that once required human workers. And unlike past technological shifts, this transformation is happening at an unprecedented speed. Companies are no longer debating whether AI should be adopted. The only question now is how quickly they can integrate it into their operations. From customer service to logistics, from media to healthcare, AI is taking over repetitive, predictable, and data-driven tasks. Not because AI is flawless, but because it is efficient, scalable, and significantly cheaper over time. As the workforce moves toward the next phase of automation, America is approaching a critical turning point, one that will define how jobs evolve in the years ahead. In customer service alone, AI chatbots now handle millions of conversations every day. Major U.S. companies rely on automated systems to answer questions, resolve complaints, and process basic requests, tasks that once required large call center teams. These systems work around the clock, never take breaks, and cost far less than human labor. As a result, many entry-level office jobs are shrinking. Roles that involve repetitive communication, data entry, and basic problem-solving are increasingly being handled by machines. This shift is especially visible in large corporations, where efficiency and cost reduction drive decision-making. Retail is another industry experiencing rapid transformation. Automated checkout systems, smart inventory management, and AI-powered demand forecasting are replacing traditional cashier and stock management roles. Large retail chains across America are investing heavily in automation to reduce errors and improve speed. In warehouses, AI-driven robots now sort, pack, and transport goods with remarkable precision. These systems can operate continuously, making them highly attractive to companies facing labor shortages and rising operational costs. For many workers, this means fewer traditional roles and more uncertainty about long-term employment. Even creative industries are no longer immune. In media and journalism, AI systems can now generate basic news reports, summaries, and financial updates within seconds. Sports scores, market updates, and weather reports are increasingly written by algorithms rather than humans. While investigative journalism and storytelling still rely on human insight, routine content creation is rapidly becoming automated. This shift raises important questions about job security, originality, and the future role of human creators in the digital age. Healthcare, traditionally considered a safe sector, is also being reshaped. AI systems assist doctors by analyzing medical images, detecting patterns, and supporting diagnostic decisions. These tools increase accuracy and speed, especially in large hospitals and research institutions. Rather than fully replacing doctors, AI is redefining how medical professionals work. However, many supporting roles are changing, requiring fewer people and more technical expertise than before. As the United States moves closer to the next stage of AI development, the workforce faces a major transition. The coming years will not be defined by sudden job loss, but by gradual replacement, transformation, and skill shifts. Some roles will disappear, others will evolve. The key difference this time is speed. AI does not replace jobs one industry at a time. It scales across sectors simultaneously. This makes adaptation more urgent than ever for workers, businesses, and policymakers alike. The future of work in America is not a question of if AI will replace jobs. It is a question of how society chooses to respond. Those who adapt, reskill, and understand this shift early will be better positioned for what comes next. AI is not just changing jobs. It is redefining what work itself means. And the decisions made today will shape the workforce of tomorrow.